Have you got frozen pipes? Do I have to tell you what happens when they thaw out?
Let the professionals at Spotless find hidden water in your walls and floors with this infrared camera and special equipment to dry out water-soaked hardwood floors and carpets.
If your home or office gets wet, you'll want us to dry it.
Spotless, Spotless voted very best.
Hi, I'm Bob Packrell. In 1975, I started Spotless, and since that time, we've built a solid reputation in the community where we work. Since that time, we've taken advantage of the finest educational training this industry has to offer. At Spotless, we have a corporate identity built in this community, not a corporate image created by some Madison Avenue ad agency. This is our training facility. We open it to the insurance industry as well as use for our people and personnel. We train other professional cleaning services. At Spotless, we have 4 truck-mounted carpet cleaning units. We selected White Magic equipment for its durability and its ease of operation. Let's take a look. To achieve better drying efficiencies, we have converted all our equipment to LGR dehumidifiers. We have several dozen of these units, and we find that they are very effective in reducing the moisture in the atmosphere very quickly in saturated structures. So we go to LGRs almost exclusively in our drying operations. These are axial fans. In order to dry out water-soaked structures, we must have plenty of airflow and good dehumidification. These fans move 35% more air than conventional fans with about 30% less electric consumption. We find that they really help in drying out structures. We've converted almost entirely to gale force axial fans. We believe in a vortex drying system. As part of that system, we must get good extraction from the carpet and pad. To achieve this, we use an extreme extractor. It will compress both the carpet and pad and remove the water from both. This is a desiccant dehumidifier. We use these for specialty drying projects such as wood floors, cabinets, crawl spaces, when we must bring the grains of moisture down to a very low level. The moisture is actually absorbed in an absorbent material in the unit. This is a thermal imager, invaluable for finding hidden water. Frankly, water can't hide from a thermal camera. Another aspect of our drying system is that we use these floor-mounted fans to blow dry air out across the wet structure. We do this for several reasons. 1, it dries the structure, but 2, it will also dry any content that might be wet within the area. This is an injected dry system for drying hardwood floors. We have several of these systems available at any time. What we do is place these, we tape down mats on the floor, and by using negative air pressure and drawing the very low grains of moisture that we can generate with our Phoenix LGRs or our desiccant dehumidifiers up through this floor to go ahead and bring about a rapid drying of the hardwood. One of our greatest assets is the fact that we have the capability to use ultrasonic equipment to clean. We have purchased 2 ultrasonic machines. We have 1 large one and this unit here that will handle things smaller than a bread box. The other unit will handle things larger than a bread box. The second of our ultrasonic machines is a larger unit. We can fit large items in here, and the rule of thumb is typically if it can be wet and not hurt by water, then we can clean it with this ultrasonic equipment. On 1 industrial job alone, we saved an insurance company hundreds of thousands of dollars cleaning air conditioning components. This is a valuable asset. Our concern in drying structure is more than just drying carpet and pad. Wall surfaces and wall cavities need to be dried as well. By safely removing the base and using an injection system, we can dry wall cavities and those areas that are not normally reached by normal drying. We have several dozen of these systems available for use at any given time. They really do help in drying out insulation, wall cavities, and those areas in behind cabinets that are unreachable with normal air. We are most proud of our clean storage facility. This facility features climate control, pest protection, and continuous 24-hour-a-day air scrubbing. It is a nice facility to put your insured's contents in after they've been restored. These are air scrubbers. We use them in fire and smoke restoration projects and water restoration projects as well. They will help to abate odors that come with drying, as well as any that may be created from pet contaminants in a carpet that gets wet. I want to thank you for taking the time to look at this video. We hope that the explanations and the introduction to some of this new technology has been valuable for you. We hope to be doing business with you soon. If your home or office gets wet, you will want me to dry it. Hi, I'm Bob Packrell with Spotless. This is an LGR dehumidifier. It brings about more rapid drying in a water-soaked structure than standard dehumidifiers. If the folks that show up at your home do not have LGRs, tell them you want a company that does.
For free helpful advice from the pros, log on to chartermainstreet.com and click on the Ask the Professional link.